G'day! If you're getting involved in the Street Science and Early Products National Science Week Kefir growing competition, I'm joined by Trish to walk you through exactly what you need to know. Trish, tell them all about it.
Okay, so you're going to get your dry kefir and we're going to wake it up. So we've got some, this is one we prepared earlier. We've got some sugar and some water and we've woken our kefir up. So it's really happy now. We've left it for 24, 48 hours. And the first thing we're going to do is weigh it. Because what we want to do is know what it weighs now at the beginning of our competition and what it weighs at the end. Because if we do this right, we're going to change our water every day. We're going to feed it every day. And if we're doing that right, we're going to keep reproducing it and it's going to get heavier and heavier and heavier. So we want to drain this. We want to weigh it. We want to take a photo of the weight on day one. Then we want to look after it for a month. We want to nurture it. We want to feed it. We want to see how it grows. And we want to do that again at the end. Right at the end of the month, we want the photo again that shows how much this grain has grown.
How good. Good luck, guys.